In today's tutorial, I have some cool WhatsApp tricks for you. It's been long I released video on this platform, and stay with me in this video. Watch this video till the end, and also subscribe to this channel if you are new here. So guys, in today's video I have some cool WhatsApp trick for you. So today I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp different WhatsApp account on the same WhatsApp app. So guys, kindly watch this video to the end and don't skip any part of this video. So you can see that I have WhatsApp same WhatsApp on my phone, and I'm using different WhatsApp account on the same WhatsApp app. So you can see this is the WhatsApp app, and at the same time this is the WhatsApp app. So I'm going to show you how you can do this without downloading any app from anywhere. So guys, kindly watch this video to the end and also subscribe to this channel. So without wasting much time, I'm going to show you how I got this WhatsApp app on my screen here. So listen to me very well in this video and watch this video to the end without skipping any part of this video. So open your phone settings and scroll down and select accessibility. So select accessibility. So after you have opened the accessibility, you have to scroll down to the bottom and search for dual messenger. So you have to search for dual messenger. Let me search for dual messenger. So open your dual messenger from your accessibility, then you have to scroll down and you have to turn this feature on. So you can use double account on the same app with these apps. So this method is not for only WhatsApp, and you can use this method on Facebook, Skype, Telegram, and Messenger, Facebook Messenger too. So you have to find WhatsApp here, then turn it on. So after you have turned it on, you have to click on the install button. So after you have installed the app, you will see the app on your phone screen like this. So you click on the WhatsApp app, then you have to set your WhatsApp. So I'm going to set my new WhatsApp account using different WhatsApp phone number. So I have to enter my phone number here, then I have to wait for the verification code. So guys, this is how you can use different WhatsApp account on the same WhatsApp app. So kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell.